Hi all, quick unboxing for Anker 735 charger. This is a 65 watt of charge, so very high current. Let's see how it looks like. If it is new, so there is always a sticker. And by the sticker you can verify that it is indeed new, but also on the other side. Okay, so now it should open, and it is, wow, look how nice it is. It's very tiny. I thought it will be bigger, you can see, compared to my hand. They are doing such a nice things, Anker. And it was bought on my own money, so no one is sponsoring this video. It's a little heavy, but not very much, and you can expect a very good and high quality cooling in this one. And inside the box you have another manual if you would like to read it. As you know, I never read the manual. And now we need to test and to see if it can supply the 65 watt. So we have two USB Type-C and one regular USB. You know what? I will do an exception and see how they get to the 65 watt. So port C1 and C2, they are 65 watt, which is 20 volt till 3.25 amps. So if you will do the math, this is what it is. Now I have here the Anker, a high power battery, and now we can test to verify the charging current, because this battery can calculate the real numbers and not what it should be. So we will see in a second. By the way, I have here another 100 watt cable from Ugreen. Yeah, so this way I know that it should handle the 65 watt, because if you don't have the correct cable, so it will not really help you. Yeah, so we'll connect it now to the power cord. Nothing is exploding so far. This is nice. Okay, and now we can see that the Anker is turning on, and it is starting with very low power, and now it is going up till 60 watt, 59.1. This is the maximum charge rate that I can see here, as you can see. But I'm not sure about the cable, and I think that if we will use a shorter cable, we might get higher current. Yeah. So you can see now 66.9%, and it would take half an hour to complete. But I would like to now change the cable in order to see if I can get higher current. The cable that came with Anker support 140 watt, so it should get higher current out. Let's see if this is correct. No, we get the same 59, a little higher, 59.8. This is the maximum I can see right now. Why it doesn't get to the highest charge rate? This is a good question that I cannot really supply the answer for it, but it can be because of the cable type, maybe there are some losses on the cable, so the cable is not 100% good. Maybe if I will catch it a little, so a better contact. No, it doesn't really change a lot. Let's see. I flip the cable side. Sometimes you have a better connection one side over the other. So anyway, almost 60 watt. This is good enough. The charge rate is really fast, no issue about it. And of course the real test is to see that it doesn't get hot over time. And of course it will get hot because the power is a lot of power. But this is what it is. So thank you and bye.